Today you are going to learn how to design a landing page after you receive a brief. Welcome to my channel. My name is Redona and I define myself a growth designer. I design websites, landing pages, applications, and I optimize them for growth. I'm going to show you a little process that I use before designing something. So follow me. First thing first, you need to have a brief. If you don't have a brief, don't worry. I'm going to show you a fake brief generator that I use this time just to show you the process, and it's called goodbrief.io, and it's basically this website that generates random brief ideas. And this time I decided to go with a website, and I selected the industry that is fashion. And as you can see here, we have the company name, we have the company description, the job description, and you can basically, read this brief here and start to implement what the client is actually asking you to do. Of course, this brief is very generic. Let's assume that they have conducted some user research, because they are also telling us who their target audience is here. So this is basically just an example of, okay, they have a strategy, they have a research, now we need to design the website, or we need to design the first concept of the website or the landing page. So basically what I do here, before, let's say, working on the whole thing, I ask them if they have actually a brand book, or if they have brand guidelines. And in this case, we don't have it, because this is, of course, a fake brief. So I decided to build my own, let's say, brand identity, kind of a brand identity, which is very, very short. You don't have to, build something really big. This is just for us to have it as a reference. And I'm going to show you now. Okay, so this is basically, this is like my brand guideline, because I needed to have it as a base, so I can follow the style and the visual aspect of the website. They were asking basically to have something mysterious, but also down to earth, since their target audience is millennials. I decided to conduct a little research on millennials, like how are they, like their psychology, what they like. And it looks like the yellow color that the client actually asked me to use is really related with that type of target audience, because they are optimistic. So yellow is let's say a color that is related with optimism. So this is a really great start. And also they actually asked me in this case to make something colorful and fresh, and they basically ship fast fashion. So I use these lines here to represent something dynamic. So that's why I decided to use these lines here in a very dynamic, let's say, way. Also to create a frame around the brand. I decided I didn't design this type of logo. This is actually a font that I downloaded, and I like it because it's fluid, and I really love the mood of this font. So I decided to use it, because I also feel that fluidity matches really well with fast shipping or fast producing. So you have to be flexible, So this is the why of this type of choice, of style. So yeah, I did a little research here for the target audience. I have a, let's say, average age, which is 25 to 40. They are single. They can be married as well, but I decided that they will be single because in the brief it was not specified. They are earning 50K. This is something that I actually, this is a little research that I did. So you can go on Google and type on Google what's the average salary in US, for example, of millennials, right? And after that, I decided to, work on the typography. So I choose this for the title and Helvetica for the body text. So we will have two fonts, and of course the color. So the main color will be yellow, but we will also have other type of colors like this kind of, white and black for the text and the background, and the green will be maybe for highlights and overlays. And then this is the visual style. So this is what the images would look like. And there is something important to say here about inclusivity. So when you choose images and visuals, I highly recommend you to be super inclusive. So no matter what skin color, no matter what, kind of culture you have or religion you have, it doesn't matter. You should always, always, always include everyone, okay? Because we are human beings, so it doesn't matter. Where did I find these images? I found them on Unsplash. So you can go there and you can type, the type of the images that you like, and you will have like different, photographers that have beautiful styles. And I really love this style because I thought that it matched with the brand. Okay, so this is basically my first step. Oh, actually here I have also some images as a reference, and now I'm going to show you with some music my landing design. Of course, is just the header because it's something fast, and to design something more complex you need more data, but this is just to show you a little process that I do before a little project. And I'm going to show you now while I design what I did. And the first step while designing it, you will notice, is that I started with black and white and gray, just to understand the space of the overall composition. And yeah, I hope you will enjoy it. See you later. Here we are back again. So I hope you like this little process, and I hope you followed the overall thought that I had on this design, and why did I choose this type of images, and why did I choose this type of shape, why did I choose the elements, why did I choose the color. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments if this was helpful, and also let me know what you want to see next time. See you. Mwah.